Easter may have been last week, but we have to tell you about this Eggmazing Egg Spinner.
The 3B Kids of Texas!
We tried it out this Easter, and it was extraordinary. I found it excellent.
It says to use hard-boiled eggs, but we used plastic ones and they worked great.
We are not sponsored by this company. The Super Inquest.
If you're new to our channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel.
If you've been here before, welcome back. See you next time.